जय श्रीमन्नारायण. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 4th chapter ज्ञानयोगम 33rd श्लोका. गीताचार्य श्री कृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that Arjuna, in every act there are two aspects. One is known as kriyamsa, that means activity, action, earnings and all these actions. Second aspect is jnanamsa. Jnanamsa means having a clear understanding that I am different from body and Paramatma is there in me. Every entity, there is soul, there is Atma in every entity, and every Atma is supported by Paramatma. This entire understanding is known as Brahmatmaka Bhavana. This is also known as Jnanamsa. This Jnanamsa should be there in every activity. This Jnanamsa is the main aspect in every action. Only with this Jnanam, if the actions are carried out, if the activities are carried out, then none of your actions would cause any bondage to you. And this Jnanam, the main purpose of this Jnanam is what? Helps you attain Atma Sakshatkaram. It makes sure that no action that you perform causes any bondage to you, and finally it helps you attain Atma Sakshatkaram. That is why in every action this Jnana Amsa, aspect of this Jnana is very important and very essential. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma emphasizing upon the necessity of Jnanam that we should be carrying while performing all of our activities. While having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, also trying to practice Krishna Paramatma's teachings in our day-to-day activities, let us now repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. श्रेयान् द्रव्यमयात् यज्ञात् ज्ञानयज्ञः परन्तप सर्वं कर्माखिलं पार्थ ज्ञाने परिसमाप्यते. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your activities as my service, keep doing namaskaram to me, surrender to me alone and conditionally, mamekam saranam vraja, do not cry, ma suchaha, keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka, keep on spreading my message to all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading your message among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad-Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad-Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandam, Suta Maharshi discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogendra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma describing Srimannarayana's avatarams to Narada Maharshi, saying that, O Narada, there used to be a king with the name Nabhi, his wife Sudevi. To them, Nabhehe asau Rushabha asa Sudevi sunuhu. To that couple, Paramatma is born as a son. His name is Rushabha. That Rushabhadeva did yoga abhyasam. Rushabhadeva realized in every entity Paramatma is there, and he realized Paramatma's presence within himself. That is why he always used to enjoy the glory within himself, glory of Paramatma within himself. He never depended upon any other than himself. So that is how he made sure all of his activities are going on, functioning very peacefully. In that process, he made a perfect detachment with all these mundane things and developed a perfect uninterest upon all worldly things. Paramahamsyam Rushayah Padamamananti. Like that, he has attained a peak levels of yoga abhyasam and a full amount of satisfaction. He was there all the time content. Like that, he has attained Paripurna Sthiti. Like this, Chaturmukha Brahma describing Rushabhadeva avataram to Narada Maharshi. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. He Gopalaka, He Krupa Jalanidhe, He Sindhu Kanyapate, He Kamsantaka, He Gajendra Karuna Parina, He Madhava, He Ramanuja, He Jagatraya Guru, हे पुण्डरीकाक्ष मां हे गोपीजननाथ पालय परं जानामि न त्वां विना। कृष्णो रक्षतु नो जगत्त्रयगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्याम्यहं। कृष्णे नामरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः। कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 4th chapter 33rd श्लोक। श्रेयान् द्रव्यमयात् यज्ञात् ज्ञानयज्ञः परन्तप सर्वं कर्माखिलं पार्थ ज्ञाने परिसमाप्यते। श्रेयान् द्रव्यमयात् यज्ञात् ज्ञानयज्ञः परन्तप सर्वं कर्माखिलं पार्थ ज्ञाने परिसमाप्यते। श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।